Here's another 2-second IB exam question. Yes, this question should not take more than 2 seconds to solve in the exam. Which properties are expected for the compound potassium fluoride? A table of possible answers is provided. Before trying to find the correct answer, let's quickly identify what type of a substance potassium fluoride is. First, is potassium fluoride an element or a compound? It contains both potassium and fluorine, so it is definitely not an element. It is a compound. Now, what type of compound is it? The substances we commonly study can be grouped into metals, ionic compounds, and molecular compounds. A metal consists of metallic atoms only, such as sodium or potassium. Even alloys contain multiple metals. Fluorine, however, is not a metal. It is a nonmetal, while potassium is a metal. And whenever a metal combines with a nonmetal, we get an ionic compound. Therefore, potassium fluoride is an ionic compound made up of potassium cations and fluoride anions. Now let's compare the properties of ionic compounds with the answer choices. Is it soluble in water? Yes. Ionic compounds generally dissolve in water because they dissociate into ions. Water molecules surround the positive and negative ions, forming hydration shells and stabilizing them in solution. Does it have a high melting point? Yes. Ionic compounds have strong electrostatic attractions between oppositely charged ions. A large amount of energy is required to overcome these forces, giving them high melting points. Does solid potassium fluoride conduct electricity? No. Electrical conduction requires mobile charge carriers. Although ions are present in the solid ionic lattice, they are fixed in position and cannot move. Therefore, solid potassium fluoride does not conduct electricity. However, when molten or dissolved in water, the ions become mobile and can carry charge, allowing electrical conduction. So, if you know the background theory, you are not scared and well prepared for the exam, should this question take more than 2 seconds? You decide. Save this question, come back later, and see how quickly you can solve it on your own. Yours, Atom Academy.